Hi, welcome to my channel Between Techie. My name is Biswajit Nayak. I am a software professional. So here in my channel we are going to learn Python. So do not worry about it. If you are if you do not have any kind of coding knowledge or you are new to the Python field, so you are going to learn Python in very simple way. So I'll help you on this Python learning. Next is introduction to Python language. What exactly Python is? Python is a language which is going to use for developing a software, any kind of application. Okay. So why Python we are using? Because in our market or in our world now, so Python is booming around all over the world. Why? Because of its features. Okay. So now we'll be learning what exactly Python supported IDs, right? So there are a lot of IDs where you can write Python codes like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, Jupyter Notebook, Spider, Cursor, Windsurf, Sublime Text, etc., etc., etc. So any kind of any tool you can any ID you can use for writing Python codes. Here I'll be teaching you through PyCharm IDE. Next, we'll be learning Python features. Why Python is booming around all over the world? Because of its Python is very simple and easy to learn. If you do not have any knowledge on computer applications and all, still you will be able to understand the Python language. And next is Python is freeware and open source. Like you no need to worried about the license and all. You can download this Python from your web browser and you can get it freely. This is freely available. Python is high level programming language which is clearly readable and versatile. Python is platform independent, which means you can write the codes once and you can run it in any of the operating systems. Python is portability, which means Python is migrating the program. We can migrate the program, Python program, from one machine to another machine. Next is Python is dynamically typed language. That means you can write the codes without any kind of declaration. It will be automatically declare all those variables and all. So which is very simple again. Next is Python is procedure oriented and object oriented. What exactly procedure oriented says? Procedure oriented means operations and tasks can be performed without any class and object creation. Alright. What is object oriented? Object oriented means operation and tasks can be performed based on the class, object, method, all those creations. Now, Python is an interpreted language, which means execution will be happen line by line. Next is Python is extensible, which means we can use other programming language inside Python. Okay, while we are doing automation also. Okay, and next is Python is embedded, which means we can use Python inside other language also. That means it will be a reverse of extensible. In extensible, what I said, we can use other programming language inside Python. And embedded means we can use Python inside other programming languages. Next is Python supports extensive library, which means there are lot of libraries already been created. You can say lakhs of libraries or crores of libraries already has been created, and which is going to make our code very simple and easy, because we do not need to create each and everything explicitly. Instead of creating explicitly, we have all those libraries, we can call those library and we can use all those. All right. Next, what kind of applications where we can use Python and we can create all those applications. Okay, so in whenever we are trying to develop any kind of web application, we can use Python. Any kind of scientific application, we can use Python also. If we want to develop any kind of image processing application, we can use Python. We can use Python to develop any kind of desktop application also. We can use Python for integrating with AI and ML. All right. AI means this is AI means artificial intelligence, which means you can say human intelligence for learning and making decisions. So that is the AI. And ML means this is machine learning, which means you can say different kind of robots and all. So yeah, so these are the things, introductions for Python. I hope this is helpful for you. So if you think it is helpful for you, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And definitely we are going to learn about variables and data types in our next class. Thank you so much.